Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll be showing you how to deactivate a WordPress plugin. So you can see we are right now inside our Google Chrome, and on this browser we are at the login screen of our WordPress website. I'll quickly log in. I've already entered the username and the password, so we are inside the WordPress dashboard now. So all you have to do is just hover over to plugins and click on install plugins, because you can only deactivate the plugins you have installed. And now you can see I have these 4 plugins installed. Now let's say I don't want this classical editor at the moment, or maybe you found out that this plugin is vulnerable to some threats, or it's not that usable anymore, or you just want to deactivate because you're no longer using it. So you'll just click on this button here. You'll click on this deactivate button here, and once you click that, this plugin will be deactivated. So now again, if you want, you can reactivate from here, or if you want to completely delete this plugin from your plugin library, you can do that from here. But please make sure that when you delete these plugins, if you have added some functionality to your website using this plugin, that will also be removed. So please be mindful of that, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.